Let's take a look at driving. How do you drive? Do you follow the rules or do you not follow the rules? If you don't follow the rules, you blow past the speed limit, you don't stop at stop signs, you don't let pedestrians cross, you park on double yellow lines, and then what happens? You can get away with it once, twice, maybe 3 times if you're really lucky, but eventually you get caught and then you suffer the consequences. Okay, so how do you drive? You need to drive by following the rules. You've got certain rules, certain patterns that you need to react every single time the exact same way. How do you react when you see a stop sign? When you see a stop sign, you stop. When the red light turns red on a traffic light, you stop. When you see a pedestrian that's trying to cross, you stop for them. Okay? You would think that traders do the same thing. They have rules, they follow them. If those rules come up, they need to act on them. Well, believe it or not, no. And that's probably why you, and probably I would say about 95% of traders, keep on fucking up in trading. Why they keep on losing money, or why they might make a bit of money and then lose it and then make a little bit more and then lose it again. Spend hours and hours and hours on the PC looking at videos, buying courses, looking at charts, and then buying and then still losing, and then selling and then still losing. That's because traders do not follow this rule of having rules. Okay, if you don't have rules, you don't have a system, you fail. Most traders trade based off of emotions as well. So their friend, their cousin, their butcher, the guy from the coffee shop is just saying, oh, yo, Bitcoin's really good now. I think that the bear market's over. I think we should buy. And then they go and buy. And then the price goes the other way and they end up losing money. And then they say trading's a scam. And then they say this is gambling, that this is rigged, and all of that stuff. The most important point, the biggest mistake, is that traders fight against the market makers. You cannot fight against the people that manipulate the markets. Yes, if you've never heard this concept, yes, the markets are manipulated. It's not just me saying it. Look at any trader. They'll tell you the exact same thing. Markets are moved by market makers. They're billionaires, they're hedge funds, they're people with a lot of influence. I'm not going to say names, but we all know who. It's really easy for the markets to be manipulated. So let me just give you a really quick example. Okay, Bitcoin here was in an accumulation phase. So market makers were buying Bitcoin, kept on buying Bitcoin and buying Bitcoin. And then what? We get a really slow process up. Why? So that the retail trader, which is people like you and I, okay, the ones that don't have that much money, we see, oh, there's the first resistance broken. This is going up. Oh, there's the second resistance broken. And then Twitter starts blowing up. Bitcoin's rallying. Bitcoin's going up to all-time high. Then on Instagram, then on YouTube. Then your friend is telling you to buy Bitcoin. Then your girlfriend's telling you to buy Bitcoin. And everyone's buying Bitcoin. And you're sat there thinking, oh, do I need to buy Bitcoin? Should I buy Bitcoin? And the price keeps going up and up and up. And when you make it here, this is when you finally say, do you know what? Yes, I am going to go and buy Bitcoin. And then what? And then the price goes the other way around. You need to also understand how trading works. Okay, there's not new money created. For you to make money, someone else has to lose. Okay, you make money at the expense of someone else losing money. Someone else makes money at the cost of you losing money. Okay, so when money comes out of your account, it doesn't go into a random void, it goes into someone else's account. And when you make money, you take a good trade and you win that trade, that money is coming directly off of someone else's account. So following the same principle, these market makers that are going long, that are buying Bitcoin, what do they need? When we've made it here, they need to make the retail traders, the masses, everyone else want to buy. Why? Because if these people lose money, they can make money. So what you can't do is trade against them. Okay, so we have developed a 5-year system, or actually we have spent 5 years developing a system with a set of rules that we follow to trade efficiently. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, we have created quite a few indicators, about 4 or 5, but I'm just going to show you a couple of them, and I'm going to show you what actually happens when you've got rules and you don't just trade based off Twitter or based off your friend. Okay, first off, these are just, I think that's 2 of the indicators that we've got. Now it's 3. Okay, let me just show you. This little purple line that you've got there is the strongest, the nicest. It's called the smart trend. Okay, every time you get close to it, it's a really good place for us to take a trade. Okay, this is a really big generalization, okay, for you to understand the main concept. There's a lot more detail into it, and you also need to understand about market structure, but more on that later. Okay, when you've got rules of why and when to buy or when to sell, then things become a lot easier. You're really close to the smart trend, you've got the little yellow dot, you're overbought, you've got a little bit of money flow, it's a good place for you to take a short. You're close to the smart trend, which is green, you're oversold, it's a good place for you to take a long. These divergences, which work pretty damn good, okay, not always, because nothing, and I'm not going to tell you that this is 100% win rate, but they do work pretty good, which is why I'm also going to tell you later on why we choose to not use the same RSI divergences that every single trader uses, why we like to use money flow divergences. Okay, we've got a set of rules. When these rules present themselves, they are good places for us to take our trades. Okay, smart trend, yellow dot, little bit of money flow, overbought, short. You're even making an RSI divergence, which is not really what we use, but it does add up. Exactly the same thing. I can keep on giving you the exact same thing over and over and over again. Okay, smart trend, little yellow dot, short, smart trend, short, and you are also overbought. Okay, I'm just going to give you a few more examples, but I think you do start to see what I'm trying to get to. Divergence, little yellow dot, overbought, RSI divergence as well, smart trend, short, divergence, even an RSI divergence as well, and then long. You've got the smart trend, little yellow dot, overbought, small money flow, really good place to go short. Exactly the same thing there. Okay, now these are just 3 of the indicators which we have built, which we have spent 5 years perfecting, managing, learning, changing, adapting, and then now we have perfected them. Okay, these indicators, this trading method, these rules have taken me from a full-time chef working in kitchens to now being a full-time trader, showing people in a very humble way how to trade crypto using rules. Okay, without rules, you will mess up, you will lose money like you're probably doing now, like I've been doing for quite a while, which I've stopped doing ever since I've been having a proper system. There's no guessing, there's no trying to figure out, oh, do you know what, I think here, that's a good place to go short. No, there's no gambling, there's no guesswork. These are rules. When I see a pattern happen, when I read the price structure, I'm able to see. Okay, I'm able to see where, why, when, and how. Okay, so now, this is the main question. Are you going to click off this video and then go back to your trading view, go back to your trading, and just keep on doing the exact same thing and then question and then cry and then call this a scam and then say that this is bullshit? Or are you actually going to do something? Are you going to start changing some things and start taking trading more professionally? If you are actually going to take something professionally, let me tell you something which is going to blow your mind. I am not going to sell you anything. I'm not going to sell you a course. I'm not going to tell you that you need to buy these indicators for $7.99 a month. No, you don't. What you can do is you can join our Telegram, which is completely free. You join that Telegram, you get access to a complete free course. Yes, free, completely free. Every single concept and more that I've told you here, what fair value gaps are, what a proper Fibonacci retracement is, about how to manage your risk, how to manage your positions, what coins to trade, how to read market structure, what an accumulation process is, what trading is, what these indicators are, and a lot more inside the course that is completely for free. You also additionally get access to these indicators and more, because these are only 3 and I've actually got 5. Okay, so there's two more which I'm not showing you because I don't want to show you everything just yet. You get access to all of that completely for free. So how do you do that? You join our Telegram, just completely free. You send a message to our support team and you get access to all of that. Okay, my goal here is not to sell you some random course, is not to tell you to buy these indicators. My goal is to show you how to actually trade, because I've lost a lot of money, I've lost a lot of time, I've lost a lot of energy, and now finally I'm in a position to share all of my knowledge and all of my mistakes with you so that you don't do the same mistakes that I've done. Okay, you can triple check it, it's completely free, I'm not charging you nothing, okay, because my goal is for you to learn. Okay, so thank you very much. I will see you in there, and hopefully we can turn you into a proper little trader. Thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon. Bye bye.